stage, the man we've all been waiting for. Here he comes!
You got long arms, you're good.
The most important thing when you're climbing is to know that you are completely supported by your belay and you can completely climb to 100%. And if you fall, absolutely they have got you in control.
With 25 years experience making assisted braking belay devices, Pexels are proud to introduce the Grigri Plus, which is an evolution of the Grigri, coming to complete the range of devices. The Grigri Plus will work for indoor climbing, for outdoor climbing, for experienced or for learner climbers. With all rope diameters, we can go from 8.5 to 11 millimeters. The belay action is a classic two-handed action, and with all rope diameters, I have a very fluid action for paying out slack to the climber.
I'm telling you, I'm a lover of the place. I'm telling you, I'm fast with no rain.
The handle and the mechanism has been redesigned, so I have a very easy to control lowering action. It's a very smooth descent, a very easy to control descent.
I'm in chains, you're in chains too. I'm a prisoner, I'm in chains, you're in chains too.
Another new feature is the anti-panic system in the handle. When I'm lowering off a climber, if I pull too hard on the handle, then the device locks up and stops the lowering off. This is quite a useful feature for learner climbers or beginners who may not have the right balance between how hard they're holding the control rope and how hard they're pulling on the handle. The other interesting feature with the Grigri Plus, particularly for climbing instructors, climbing walls, mountain guides, for instance, is top rope mode. So I can switch on the back of the device here. And this gives me a very quick blocking action of the device.
As a climbing instructor or mountain guide, I may be working with multiple guests at the same time, all learning how to climb and all learning how to belay. The top rope function reassures me that they are providing a consistent belay, allowing me to monitor several belayers at the same time.
You can definitely be a very good belayer without climbing well yourself at all. I think some of the best sometimes are, because that's what they do most of. But sometimes maybe you'd live from the feeling of seeing someone else climb a route because you're belaying them.
I'm in chains, you're in chains too. I'm a prisoner, no, 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 no. I'm in chains, you're in chains too.
My name is Jesse Matner. I'm here with the Matic. The Matic is a patented new belay device from CAM. The Matic is manufactured in Italy for the highest quality. The main body is constructed from hot forged aluminum alloy, making it very strong and very precise. And other central components are precision cast from stainless steel. One of the notable features of the Matic is the gradual cami angle, which delivers a softer catch than other belay devices, putting less stress on the body and on the anchor. And the anti-panic function increases safety when lowering. The patented anti-panic function automatically blocks the rope if the lever is pulled too far. The device cannot be clipped with a carabiner if it is not fully closed. The Matic is rated for ropes ranging from 8.6 to 10.2 millimeters, with an optimal range from 8.6 to 9.6 millimeters.